If your July 4th plans involve sunshine, burgers, and pretending you didn't just set off a firework too close to your fence, this one's for you. Let's start with food, because nobody's showing up for your personality, they're coming for the spread. The Ninja GR 101 Griddle and Grill combo is that smokeless indoor beast that doubles as your emergency burger station if it rains. It's got interchangeable plates and the power to make you look like you know what you're doing, even if you don't. For the real MVPs of the cookout, the Ninja DG 551 Foodi Smart XL Grill and Air Fryer comes in with a built-in thermometer and enough space to grill steaks like you're on MasterChef Backyard Edition. It even air fries. Because balance. Old school more your speed? Enter the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. Pre-seasoned, built like a tank, and perfect for corn on the cob, smash burgers, or that one friend who insists on making peach cobbler the authentic way. Now let's cool down. The Frigidaire mini fridge isn't just cute, it's clutch. Keep your soda or special sodas cold right on the patio. It plugs into the wall or your car. Tailgate goals, anyone? Desserts covered with the Cuisinart Ice 21 ice cream maker. Just toss in your ingredients and boom, homemade ice cream in 20 minutes. It's the one machine that gets more praise than your playlist. Speaking of multitasking heroes, the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is perfect for heating up leftovers when everyone raids your kitchen at midnight. Quietly keeps your hosting game strong, even after round 3 of hot dogs. Let's not forget about style meets function. The CAROTE stainless steel knife set is sharp in both senses of the word. Anti-rust, non-stick, and dishwasher safe, aka the opposite of those dull, crusty knives everyone avoids using. For the little ones or adults who refuse to act like adults, the Radio Flyer Ride-On brings retro energy and all-day fun. Just brace for the cousin who treats it like Mario Kart. Now we need some fireworks adjacent sparkle. The Twinkly Smart LED lights bring that RGB magic. App-controlled, mappable, and customizable for that exact kind of red, white, blue chaos you want strung across your patio. And finally, tunes. The JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speaker is compact, waterproof, and surprisingly loud. Clip it on, blast the playlist, and keep the party bumping until someone inevitably sets off a rogue firecracker at 1 a.m. So whether you're hosting, visiting, or just vibing, these picks make sure your Independence Day is anything but basic. And hey, if all else fails, there's always the ice cream. If you're interested in any of the products, the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.